another vlog. So it's a new week. It was a new week because I'm currently shooting in present, and I was not going to publish this video because मेरे को लगा कि this is about sickness and being unwell. So I don't know if you guys will like it or not, but if you are joining me in my happy days, you should join me in my worst too. Not making this mandate, but yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, this has been my sickest week. Literally, मतलब कहाँ से शुरू करूँ, क्या क्या नहीं हुआ. And another damage that happened is this is not for like, this is for like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, so ever since I have resumed this channel, जब से मैंने vlogs वगैरह डालने start करे हैं, हर vlog में कुछ ना कुछ रोना होता ही है. But the best thing that happened in this week was that I finally visited the doctor. Yes, finally. I was just taking it for granted. I was just delaying it for nothing. But yeah, when I was not able to tolerate it anymore, I visited the doctor. I just got my medications. I got the therapies and all that. Obviously, you rely on internet for entertainment things, but I was not creating or uploading anything during this time because I was just stuck in my bed. So I won't say that I'm feeling the best, but I'm literally feeling much better now, and this is why I thought that I should record the intro and just publish this video because कुछ clips मेरे पास हैं जो मैंने की हैं shoot, तो I'll just attach it and put it up for you guys. And yeah, next week is gonna be interesting because I'm gonna meet my parents and we'll have an iftaar together. So I think इस वीडियो के compensation में वो वीडियो थोड़ी entertaining हो जाएगी. So bear with me. अभी के लिए इसी से काम चला लो because it has really been a hassle for me. So yeah, I think we should just begin, shall we? लास्ट टाइम इसको खोल के देखते हैं हम लोग. ओके, सो इसका तेल पूरा ऊपर आ गया है, पानी इसका सारा जल गया है. तो अब हम लोग इस पर थोड़ी सी हरी धनिया स्प्रिंकल करेंगे एंड गैस ऑफ करेंगे एंड वी आर डन. दिस इज द फाइनल फेस ऑफ माई चिकन. अभी भी बुदबुदा रहे, गैस बंद हो गई है फिर भी. अब हम लोग खाने की टेबल पे मिलते हैं. टन टन. So, आज के लिए मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा काम कर लिया है. मैंने पूरा खाना बनाया आज, पूरा दाल चावल रोटी चिकन सैलड, बस.
अगर ये व्लॉग बना तो ये गोली मार दी जाएगी.
मजा आ रहा है ना.
कंटेंट के लिए कुछ भी करोगे मतलब. मौत आ रही है, भगवान बोलेगा क्या आखिरी ख्वाहिश है. प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल.
बापू ये रहा.
Hello from the editing cam. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like me, if you like this face, if you like this video so far, please give it a big like, comment, share and subscribe. Please, yeah, please. And yeah, I think I should take a leave now until we meet another time.